Good morning, folks. This is me out in north of Norfolk. It's right on the edge of the coast, on the Norfolk Fens. But as you can see, I've come out quite early. It's actually, I think it's coming up to about 6:15 now. Sunrise is forecast for about 6:30. I don't know if you can see behind me there. There's quite a lot of cloud, so I'm not 100% certain whether I'm actually going to get some good shots. I am taking some photographs. We'll see how we get on. But anyway, I thought I'd bring you guys along and share the fun. There's one thing that happened, a couple of things actually. One is I forgot to bring my glasses, so I'm going to have a little bit of trouble adjusting the settings. But nevertheless, I was just walking up the footpath, and towards I think it's a pump, so to speak, a small sort of wind mechanism for, I'm guessing, for pumping water. I was walking closer to that, and just as I was about halfway up the track, the beautiful glow of the sun just come across the horizon. Unfortunately, there is a lot of cloud this morning, so it doesn't appear to be showing up too much, but I'll hang around just in case we get some more colours.